Question 37. From point A, a learner walked 50 meters on a bearing of 120 degrees to reach B. From B, she walked 70 meters on a bearing of 210 degrees to reach C. Using a scale of 1 centimeter to 10 meters, we show the positions, then find the distance and bearing of C from A. Draw a north line at A, then the first leg to B on bearing 120. At B, draw another north line, then the second leg on bearing 210 to reach C. Now join A to C. Measuring this line and its bearing gives our answers. The line AC measures about 8.6 centimeters, and each centimeter is 10 meters, so the distance is about 86 meters. Measuring its bearing from the north line at A, clockwise, gives about 174 degrees.